Wait, you're telling me that you can convert the Helium 5G to be Wi-Fi for your entire house? What up guys, Matt6 here, and today CowChip actually sent me a Helium 5G Network Wi-Fi Access Point bundle, and what this means is we are going to be able to take our 5G from our Freedom Fi indoor small cell unit that we made in this video. Definitely check it out. And what you'll be able to do is take that 5G and actually make it a Wi-Fi access point. Your video game system and your PC and your phone will all be able to connect to it via Wi-Fi now. So anyways guys, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is unboxing this bad boy, and then we're going to go ahead and set it up. I'm going to show you how to set it up, as well as we're going to go ahead and run some speed tests to see how good the Wi-Fi actually is. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and unbox this thing here. So they sent it with UPS today, so that's cool. Ugh! Got it. There we go. Now that's how you open up a package. Not really. Alright, so just white box. Oh, I'm an idiot. So right here it says Multi-Tech, that is the brand, and let's go ahead and see what's in here. So just a box. Oh, okay, so there's some easy installation guides that we're going to take a look at, as well as the actual unit itself. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and read through the installation guide, and let me go ahead and set this up for you real quick so you know what it actually looks like. Hey guys, before we continue talking about the Multi-Tech, I wanted to let you guys know what's going on with the channel. So right now we have one giant channel, but we are going to convert the channel into two different channels. Well, I guess four. So there's going to be the gaming channel, which was the main channel, and there's also a cryptocurrency channel that you should be watching right now, as well as the humanity test, which is going to be for like public pranks and social experiments. And then I have an extras channel. So if you haven't already, check the links in the description and go ahead and subscribe to all my channels. And yeah, so let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about Multi-Tech. Okay, so here is what it looks like once it is fully put together. So how it's basically going to work is the 5G small cell unit that we put up earlier is going to act kind of like a router, and then it sends signal to this, and then this Multi-Tech Multi-Connect will basically act as your modem and convert it to Wi-Fi and send it out to anything that's going to be using the Wi-Fi. So one thing that you need to keep in mind is that you'll need a Freedom Fi SIM card, which the kit does provide, and it also comes with 6 months free of using the Wi-Fi access point here. So definitely keep that in mind. So there are two ways to actually set this thing up. Right now I got it on the vertical stand here, and if you decide to use this, it does come with some rubber feet that you can put on. One thing I like is there are actually these notches here, so when you plug it in and use the Ethernet to plug it in, you actually don't have to worry too much about the cords because they just come out the sides. As well as you can take off the stand, and then you could actually do from there is actually attach it to the wall using the wall guide here, and there are holes back here, and you could actually attach it to the wall and just leave it like that. So in all honesty, this seems a lot easier to set up than I was initially thinking it was gonna take. So this quick setup guide is actually really easy, and what we're going to do now is I'm going to go find a place in the house to go ahead and set this up, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up the SIM card. So the SIM card will actually go right into the Multi-Tech Multi-Connect Wi-Fi access point. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. Well, guys, let me know what you think of the Multi-Tech Multi-Connect in the comments down below. If you have any questions about it, like how to change the password or anything, I'll leave a link in the description to an article that shows you everything about this unit that you need to know. But I really liked it. I thought it was pretty easy to set up and unbox and stuff. I didn't actually expect that, so that was pretty cool. As well as, if you're interested in another thing, then definitely check out the Invoxia tracker, which allows you to track your car, or if you want to put it in your kid's book bag and you know where they are all times, that's another thing you can do with it. It also works with Helium, so that is really cool as well. And thank you to Cowchip for sending me a Multi-Tech Multi-Connect to review in this video for you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get your own Multi-Tech Multi-Connect. And as always, guys, stay safe, trade safe, and God bless. Peace. I see that there's like lights on the green screen. Oh, I'm sorry.